Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Non-stop.
The unique marble geometric tile collection has been created with versatility in mind. Recreate a period look, modernize an old design, or develop a pattern of your own. Unique marble tiles come in a variety of shapes and sizes and an amazing 25 colors in most of the shapes. The tiles are frost-resistant and suitable for both interior and exterior use. This video shows a range of color combinations in each of the designs. However, these are just suggestions, so feel free to experiment and change the colors to suit your taste. Unique marble tiles give you the freedom to create a new floor, which is totally in tune with your home environment. All our mosaics are made from hard-wearing marble and natural stones that have been hand-picked from different places. Our artists use these tiny tesserae, some as small as 2, to create the fine details and curves in the mosaic picture. This method of mosaic making was used by the Romans and is a sign of a quality mosaic. In order to speed up the process, the tesserae are sorted into their respective colors and put into tumblers. Once the artist has drawn the picture of the mosaic onto a canvas, the flat side of each tesserae is glued onto it. Once the canvas is filled up, a resin is poured onto it and left to set. When ready, the canvas is taken off to reveal the flat side of the mosaic and then grouted. We are one of the country's leading artists in the design to create murals, inlays, floor medallions. Natural stones of Pakistan are acknowledged worldwide as best in quality, variety, and color. Here, marble sandstone, unique marble granite are found in exclusive colors and shades, which are non-existent in other regions of the world. We use modern techniques for producing and processing marble, sandstones, unique marble, which has resulted in improved quality, and our products are fast acclaiming appreciation in the world market. A luxurious and elegant home interior is incomplete without marble walls. This breathtakingly beautiful natural stone can add the right amount of charm to your home, but you must pick the right stone that matches the space. The interior and exterior designing team at Unique Marble and Granite can assist you with your home interiors. We ensure quality in our designs and service. The designs we create for you are unique and tailored, made based on your preferences. Unique Marble and Granite, Gujranwala, Pakistan.